I'm trying to get me look pretty savage. They got her own bag, got goody and she bad, and ain't too many had it. Got a man, but she managed. They like to toast up till she dizzy.
Okay, so I skipped all the prep steps. You can watch my previous video to see how I prepped them. The nails have been on and shaped and all that good stuff. You can do it in many ways. You'll see a lot of people layer nail polish on. Only reason I didn't do that is because I don't feel like painting the whole nail and then drilling a hole in it just doesn't sit right with me. Because I feel like you wasting a lot of polish. Like you polishing the whole nail just to chop a lot of it up. This one was actually done with acrylic. The white in the center is acrylic. And I just built like a funky looking shape and then file it down and then go around. But I didn't want to keep using acrylic. So the rest of these are all polygel in the center. For the most part, you're gonna like drill this part down, so you don't have to worry about really shaping it out. I'm just doing that on this nail. I didn't do that on most of the other nails. I really just put the blob on and then filed it to my liking. Every time you cure, you want to wipe down the stickiness after curing. So that's how it's gonna look. It looks weird, it looks blobby, it looks huge, but it's not gonna look like that when it's all done, as you can see on this hand. Next finger. You actually want it to look like this, typically thick like that, because you're gonna file all of that down anyway, so don't worry about that. But yeah, this is a pretty good shape right here actually. Next steps, doesn't matter which way you do it. You can polish first or you can do the center first for all of them. Get my base coat, put it in the center. It shouldn't be like a really thin layer. Make sure the center is completely filled. I'm gonna polish up here or wherever you want to put it at basically. But I mostly just put it in the center, like where the hole is. So that's on there. Grab my tool, rubber stone, place it in there. Place these however you want it. Okay, so I'll use this piece, but I'll break it a little bit more. Use one of these light blue pieces. Okay. Put it down here. Okay, so that's cured. By the way, I just realized that I could take this off. Like that comes in so much handy. Because now I realize I can do like sideways and stuff for like other tasks that I need lamps like that for. I didn't realize you could take this off the base, so just thought I should let y'all know that because that just freaked me out, but in an excited way. This to remove excess, and this is just to spread it in more for like a more refined brush, because the regular brush is too damn big, and this doesn't need to be perfect either because it's not the main color. You can go around whatever parts you don't want and just tune it up. A lot of it out on the glitter. That's another reason why it's probably good to do the glitter last, but it don't matter. I did both on the other hand, so you can do whatever part first, whatever part last. Another 60 seconds to cure. Now I can cure it like this, so it's been cured and wiped down with alcohol. That's how it's looking, and this is the final touch. This is going to be the ceiling color. So you want it at the edges for sure. Random, but I love this type of dish because you can also use it as a brush holder, and I also brush off my excess liquid on the corners of it, so it comes very much in handy. And they're also big, like not little like the tiny dapping dishes. And I got a set of 2 for I think $7.99. So a real good deal. I'm gonna link it below. It's the finished product, top coated and all. I'm gonna just do my other nails. Base coat. Just make sure you get enough in the center. Like it should basically be a pool on the little hole. It's the same for the top coat. Make sure you're getting like letting it drip pretty much where the drills are. Like, yeah, make sure that thing is coated. That's also what's gonna even it out with the rest of the nail, so the stones won't be like snagging on stuff like that. Like your top coat is also your encapsulation basically. So make sure you cover up all of those stones. Like it should practically be drenched in top coat. That's how they're looking.